Hello friends, this is Gail Nirbhay God once again before you. Today I have brought to you the SSC stenographer success story of Anushashan Sharma and Ankita Gupta. Anushashan Sharma 6th rank holder at national level, all India rank 6, and he scored 98 marks in English language out of 100. And Ankita Gupta 598 rank and she scored 84 marks in English language. Friends, if you are also preparing for some competitive examinations, this video is very useful for you. So please watch this video till end. Let's get started for your motivation. Anushashan, please introduce yourself.
Hello friends. First of all, we would like to thank our Honorable Nirbhay sir who have taught us deep concepts of English. Thank you sir. I am Anushashan Sharma. I have qualified SSC stenographer 2017 exam. I have acquired 170.75 marks with All India rank 6, MP Chhattisgarh region topper, and I will be appointed in Indian Foreign Service Stenographers Cadre, Ministry of External Affairs.
Good. Ankita, please introduce yourself.
I am Ankita Gupta. I have qualified SSC Stenographer 2017 examination. I secured 144.75 marks with All India rank 598 and will be appointed in CBDT, that is Department of Revenue.
Good. First of all, a million congratulations to both of you. Ankita, how did you improve your English language?
Sir, as we all know, English plays a very important role in every competitive examinations. Especially in SSC, it covers a huge weightage. So I would suggest to all the students that they should focus on English, and for that I read newspapers on regular basis, I read novels, and I watched English episodes.
Good. You are used to reading English newspaper.
Yes, sir.
Dear students, this is my humble suggestion to you. You must read English newspaper daily for at least 1 hour to improve your vocabulary, to improve your reading comprehension, to improve your general knowledge, to improve your antonyms, synonyms, one word substitution, phrasal verbs, and a lot of benefits are there of reading English newspaper. So you must read English newspaper daily for at least 1 hour. If you are not able to read English newspaper for 1 hour at least every day, so you should read it on weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays. Ankita, which is your alma mater?
Sir, I have done my schooling from St. Charles.
St. Charles School.
Yes,
St. Charles School is one of the renowned schools in our city, Shivpuri. It's a very good school. What was your percentage in 12th class?
68.
68%. And your alma mater, Anushashan?
So my alma mater is Shivpuri Public School and I have got 72%.
Okay. Ankita,
Yes, sir.
what is your hobby? Friends, as it is said, if you meet someone, you should not ask that person what you do or what is your profession. Rather, you should ask what is your hobby. Ankita, what is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is painting and dancing.
Painting and dancing.
Yes, sir.
You participated at school or college level in dancing competitions?
Yes, sir. I participated at college level in which I got the second prize.
Good. Friends, for every student, hobby is must. It's a creative job. If you don't have any hobby, create a hobby, think about it, work hard on it. It also improves your brain power. Anushashan, what is your hobby?
Sir, I like playing cricket and I like reading too.
Who is your favorite writer?
Sir, I have read plenty of books, but the most favorite of mine is written by Bob Bowman, the legendary coach of the legendary sports person, Sir Michael Phelps.
Right. And Anushashan, the most important, the most crucial question for this video is, as you know, this is one of the toughest exams. SSC is one of the toughest exams conducted in India, and the level of this exam is increasing day by day. It is not from moderate to high, it is going from a high to a very high level. Anushashan, what do you think about this increasing level?
Sir, I think the increasing level of exams means competition. It is a centrifugal force that differentiates a student who would be able to tackle with new upcoming situations in his career and the one who would not be able to do so. So every student must keep in mind the increasing level of exams. That will give them an extra edge.
Right, and hard work always pays off, and as you know, he scored 98 marks in English language out of 100. Ankita, what is your message? What would you like to tell to students?
So to all the students, I will just suggest that work hard, because hard work always pays off.
Anushashan, your message.
Sir, I would suggest everyone that study high and reach high. Be punctual and be persevere. Stick to your goals and always choose an honest path in whatever you want to do.
Right. So, do what you love and love what you do. And friends, success is not an accident. It's a hard work. It's perseverance, learning, acquiring new skills. You have to do a lot of works. You have to sacrifice so many things. Then only you can crack this difficult exam. So make your life a masterpiece. Work hard to achieve your target. Thank you so much for watching us once again. It's awesome being with you, and a million thanks to both of you once again for this grand success.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.